Hey guys, you can't really see me, but just switch real quick. Okay guys, you can't see me either. I really need to get to a better. Okay, let's do that intro again. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I am actually gonna be checking out other people's den, the epic dens. So yeah. I like checking out epic dens because it just gives me ideas on what I should do in my dens. So I got this idea from Skirm, and Pepper. So yeah, let's get started. We have Spirit Wolf. Oh, okay. Rip. Oh, alright. We have Ponderosa 8647. They have a little nature scenery going on over here. We got some big pumpkin patches, a little corn stuff. And yeah, then down here let's see what we have. We have like a masterpiece. It looks beautiful. And then we have a TV, the plants, and a table and stuff. Got a little area over here. If we go down, we can see there's a lovely kitchen. And then over here is just, I don't know what this is, an office maybe, the bathroom, and then there's a little bedding area over there. Okay. This den is like really good for me. I like nature stuff. And yeah. Oh wait, I forgot. I just noticed there are lights up here. Right there. Then there's a book and a globe and some more books right there. I give this probably like a 10 out of 10 because I just like the area down here and like the kitchen. And yeah. And then moving on to the next den is Rai0103. Wow. Okay, a login world error. That's great, animaljam. Login world errors. Okay. Let's just go back and do this. Alright. Rai over here. Welcome to Rai's art gallery. Okay guys, so I think it's an art gallery. Oh, I really like this one. Oh well, they're on actually. And then, let's see. Guys, I like this one too, but I don't really like it that much. We have an eyeball, which is really creepy because it stares in your soul. That looks really scary. Let's party. It's AJ. These are really good masterpieces. I like them. And then if we go up here, it's just an empty room up here. I say I give this like maybe a 5 out of 10. I do like it really, but I just don't like how it's plain. But your den was really good, so yeah. Next up, Creative Fox. Oh, okay guys. So this is a little restaurant. So let's see. Foxy 2X. Oh wow, I like your look a lot actually. It looks very cool. I like the looks. And then we have this. Hello, welcome to my den. Remember, if it's in my den or on me, I'm most likely not to trade things. Okay. Be creative. I like her masterpieces down here in her little area. We have a lamp, some plushies, little rules over here. We have a lot of art over here, some paint, and a little area to just relax in, like just a winter area, with more masterpieces. Her look just changed, wow. My lime lemon. Yeah. Okay. This one's a hard one, because my favorite area is just this part over here. Just a little chilling area, so I get that, I give that maybe oh my gosh, guys, this is so hard. 6.5 out of 10, because I liked it, but I just didn't like. It was good. It was really good, actually. I just didn't like how it was, basically. But it was really good. Here, I think it's like more of a haunted den, I guess. Oh, they have another hovering desk. It's really cool. And we have some scary pets over here. This leads to the bedroom. This also leads to a bedroom. And this just leads up here. I like it, but it's just, I probably rate this as maybe, 8 out of 10, because, it's really good, but I didn't like it. It's just too dark, basically. I don't know, but everything's out of place, kind of, but I really do like it, so good job on that. And then I'm gonna just do a few more, so Bun 1687 is next. Oh, a lucky den. Wow, it looks really good, actually. Have a little meeting area over here, I guess. Let's see where this leads to. Wow, this leads to a really comfortable place where the beanbags are. And there's an archway that lead up here, which there is nothing. Just go down to Rainbow. And then we have a spilled flower bucket. We have gold over here, clover patches, and then there's a lucky tower, and then this just leads to nowhere, I guess. And yeah, I would give this maybe a 5, because I don't think they finished it and it just looks plain. My favorite part was the main room, the front room here, so good job on that. And then, 2 more. Prop ear. I'm sorry if I can't, pronounce the name, but okay, let's see her then. They have, a little plushie over here. It's really cute. We have a little pets area. We have just, a little restaurant, I guess, over here. And then over here, when we go down the slide, It's just plain. I think I give this maybe, I don't know, guys, maybe a 5 too, because, like, it's just plain too. It doesn't really have much stuff. I think they could do more to it. So, this will be the last one. Oh. This will be the last one of the day. And let's see. So we have like mystical stones right here. And little, oh, I don't think I've ever seen these grass things. They look really cool. Some Easter stuff over here. And then we go up here. There's just a little, there's these screens. Oh, I didn't notice that. That looks really good. Good. What? I was gonna say great and good, but I said good. Okay. Oh, this is like a little nature area. We have some daisy clouds right there. Let's go back down. And then over here, down here, we got a little nature stuff over here. I like this actually. Then we go over down here, and there's like a nature archway. Flower stuff over here, a little throne. And then over here is, let's see, some more nature stuff with a little cave over there, which is scary. I don't know why I add that. We have a little, oh, this is cute over here. Some more nature stuff, and yeah. I say I give this maybe like a 7, because I feel like they could do more work to this then, but it's really naturey and I like it, so good job on that. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and all of the people I just rated did really good on their dens. They just need to fix some stuff. I think the best one I liked was, oh, and there's another login world error. But the first one I checked out, I think I liked that more because I just liked how they put everything together. And yeah. So, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.